Every year, India celebrates Army Day on the 15th of January. It's a day to honor our brave soldiers who protect us day and night. They keep our borders safe and help people in need, showing courage and dedication. Army Day reminds us of their sacrifices and great service to India. It's a moment for all Indians to feel proud and united as a nation. The Indian Army is a symbol of discipline, teamwork, and patriotism. On this day, we thank our soldiers for facing tough challenges. Army Day inspires young people to serve the nation and teaches us the value of loving our country. The celebrations across the country show our respect and gratitude for every citizen. We learn about the Army's strength and dedication. Army Day is a day to celebrate our brave hearts and remember their sacrifices. It's a time to reflect on the spirit of the Indian Army. January 15th is celebrated as Army Day because in 1949, India got its first Indian Commander-in-Chief, marking a new era after independence. Lieutenant General K.M. Cariappa took charge from General Sir Francis Butcher. This showed India was ready to lead its own army. General Cariappa, fondly called Kipper, was a brave and respected leader who inspired soldiers with his discipline and patriotism. Army Day celebrates this historic transfer of power and the beginning of Indian leadership, a symbol of true independence. General Cariappa set high standards for future leaders. The world saw that India was truly independent with its own leaders making decisions for national defense. We honor General Cariappa's legacy. His leadership continues to inspire the Indian Army today. The Indian Army's story began before independence, as the British Indian Army. Indian soldiers fought bravely in many wars around the world, earning respect and building a strong foundation. After independence in 1947, the Army became the protector of a free nation. Soldiers faced new challenges, guarding borders and helping build a secure country. Their dedication was crucial in India's early years. Over time, the Army modernized and grew stronger, fighting wars to defend our land. Soldiers have always shown courage and determination, even in the toughest conditions. The Army also helps during natural disasters, rescuing people and providing aid. Their service goes beyond the battlefield, reaching out to those in need. Today, the Indian Army is one of the largest and most respected in the world. It is known for professionalism, discipline, and modern technology. Soldiers continue to guard our borders and participate in UN peacekeeping missions. They bring honor to India both at home and abroad. The journey of the Indian Army is a story of bravery, sacrifice, and service. It fills every Indian with pride. The Army's legacy inspires us to serve and protect our nation. Their story is one of courage and commitment. The Indian Army stands as a symbol of national pride. Army Day is celebrated with grand parades and ceremonies across India. The main event takes place in New Delhi at the Cariappa Parade Ground. Soldiers from different regiments march in perfect step, showcasing discipline and strength. The parade is attended by national leaders and army chiefs. Tributes are paid to brave soldiers who sacrificed their lives for the country. Wreaths are laid at war memorials like Amar Jawan Jyoti. Gallantry awards are presented to honor acts of courage. Army bands play patriotic music, filling everyone with pride. There are displays of weapons, equipment, and combat skills. Special shows like daredevil motorcycle rides excite and inspire the audience. Across the country, similar events bring the Army and people closer. Local Army stations organize programs for the public to interact with soldiers. These celebrations remind us of the hard work and dedication of our soldiers. Army Day is a day of national pride and unity. It's a chance to salute the defenders of our nation. The celebrations inspire patriotism in young and old alike. Army Day events help us understand the Army's role and sacrifices. It's a day to honor the spirit of the Indian Army. The Indian Army's main role is to defend our country and keep us safe. Soldiers guard our borders in tough conditions, always alert and brave. Their constant watch ensures India's peace and progress. But the Army does much more than fight wars. During disasters like floods and earthquakes, they rescue people and provide food, water, and medical help. Their quick action saves lives and shows their care for citizens. The Army is a true friend in times of need. Indian soldiers also serve in United Nations peacekeeping missions, helping maintain peace in troubled regions. Their fairness and kindness bring honor to India on the global stage. The army inspires patriotism and discipline among people. Seeing soldiers in uniform fills us with pride and encourages young people to serve the nation. Schools and colleges invite army officers to share their experiences and values. The army's presence at national events boosts our spirits and unity. They are a symbol of India's strength and togetherness. The Indian Army's service goes beyond the battlefield. Their dedication inspires us to be better citizens. We are grateful for their many helping hands. The Army's work at home and abroad makes us proud. They truly embody the spirit of service. The Indian Army is always evolving to meet new challenges. Modern technology, like advanced tanks, drones and satellites, strengthens our defense. Soldiers are trained to handle cyber warfare and complex new threats. The Army is preparing for the future with new skills and strategies. Joint exercises with friendly nations build trust and cooperation. These partnerships help armies face common threats together. The Indian Army is respected worldwide for its professionalism. International connections strengthen our defense and security. The Army is also working to be more self-reliant, making more weapons and equipment in India. This boosts our security and economy. The focus is on training soldiers to be the best. The Army adapts to new technologies and warfare. It is always ready for any situation. The future of the Indian Army looks bright and strong. Their courage and vision keep India safe. The Army's commitment to progress is unwavering. They are prepared to protect India in every way. The Indian Army stands ready for tomorrow's challenges. Their dedication ensures our nation's security. The Indian Army values its connection with the youth, inspiring them to be good citizens and future leaders. Programs like the National Cadet Corps teach discipline, leadership and patriotism to students. Many NCC cadets go on to join the armed forces. Army officers visit schools and colleges, sharing stories of bravery and service. Adventure camps and expeditions build courage and teamwork among young people. The Army nurtures the next generation of leaders, encouraging them to serve the nation. Taking care of veterans is another important duty. Veterans who have retired after years of service deserve our respect and support. The Army provides welfare schemes, pensions, healthcare, and help with re-employment. The government and organizations work to improve support for veterans and their families. Supporting veterans shows our gratitude as a nation. Their sacrifices and experience are valued and remembered. On Army Day and throughout the year, we should honor our veterans. We can support organizations that help veterans and their families. Veterans are a source of inspiration for all of us. Their well-being reflects our nation's gratitude. The Army's care for its veterans is a sign of respect. Young heroes and veterans together shape the future of our country. Their stories inspire us to serve and protect India. The Indian Army stands by its people, young and old. Army Day is a chance for everyone to show respect for the Indian Army. We can learn about their bravery by reading stories and watching documentaries. Attending Army Day events or parades helps us connect with soldiers and understand their work. Displaying the national flag on Army Day shows our unity and support. Supporting soldiers' families, especially when they are posted far from home, is another way to show gratitude. We can help organizations that work for the welfare of soldiers and their families. Even small contributions make a difference. Being disciplined and responsible citizens honors the Army's values. Teaching children about the Army's sacrifices inspires patriotism. By upholding values like unity and respect, we celebrate the Army's spirit. Every day can be a day to remember their service. We can thank soldiers in person at public events. Supporting education and health initiatives for Army families is meaningful. Our actions reflect our appreciation for their sacrifices. The Army's dedication inspires us to be better citizens. Let's keep our brave hearts in our thoughts, not just on Army Day. Respecting the Army means living by the values they protect. We honor their service by being united and patriotic. Army Day is a reminder to cherish and support our defenders. Together, we can make a difference for our soldiers and their families. Army Day fills every Indian with pride as we remember the sacrifices of our soldiers. They risk their lives in extreme conditions to keep us safe. Their courage and dedication inspire us all. Many have given their lives for our motherland, and we must never forget their sacrifice. Army Day is also a time to look to the future. The Indian Army is evolving, embracing new technology and building global partnerships. Young men and women are joining the army, ready to carry forward its glorious traditions. The army is a symbol of our nation's strength and unity. Soldiers from all backgrounds serve together as one team. Their unity teaches us the power of standing together. The army truly represents the spirit of India. Let's celebrate Army Day with respect and joy. Let's thank our soldiers for their selfless service. Remember their courage and sacrifices every day. The Indian Army will always be our shield and pride. Their dedication keeps India strong and free. Jai Hind, victory to India. We salute our brave hearts, today and always. They are the true heroes of our land. Army Day is a celebration of their legacy and our nation's future.